Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to be talking about signing up on Bluesky, a social media platform that may serve as an alternative to X/Twitter, and it has been gaining quite a lot of popularity recently due to recent events. So guys, in this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sign up on Bluesky, join the Bluesky community. For example, if you'd like to use Bluesky for your personal but also commercial projects in the future. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. Now, all you need to do, guys, is head over to google.com or to any other search engine on the internet and type in Bluesky. Now, the Bluesky social media app or social media platform will be among the uppermost search entries here. So simply click on it, and on the next page, you will be redirected to the homepage of Bluesky. Well, at first glance, it looks pretty much the same way as X or Twitter, at least from the looks of these posts here. So you see users posting stuff like short messages like they used to do on X/Twitter. Then you see that icon here that will allow you to reply to that. If you like the post, you may also retweet it or leave a like or a heart icon like that. Last but not least, if you click on these three dots here to the right, you will be given the opportunity to copy post the text, to copy the link, or to embed the given message or post. So to join Bluesky as a user yourself, simply click on sign up here. And in the first step, choose the service provider you would like to host your user data. You can choose between Bluesky and a custom service here to the right. That's because Bluesky is an open network where you can choose your own hosting provider. So according to the information, if you're a developer, you can host your own server and join Bluesky through that service. So do that if you like. I'm going to stick to Bluesky for demonstration purposes. Now click on done here. And the following is actually super simple. Simply submit your email address here, choose a safe password, enter your birth date, and proceed by clicking on next here in the bottom right corner. After that, select your personalized user handle, like on YouTube, for example. Just remember that your user handle must contain only letters, numbers, and hyphens, and it must have at least 8 characters. Sorry, it's actually 3, so you can use a very short and simple handles as it seems. So click on next here in the bottom right corner and finalize your registration on the next page by solving a short image captcha like that. So let me do that really quickly to verify and to confirm that you are a real human user and not a bot. And after that, they will ask you to go through a short profile setup where you'll be given the opportunity to upload a personalized profile image. Alternatively, you may use one of their avatars here below. After that, choose or pick a couple of your interests, just like that. So let me pick that one here, that one, and that one as well. And after that, finalize your setup by clicking on let's go here, and that's basically it. So guys, as you can see, we're inside my freshly created account here on Bluesky. What you can do is, for example, go through these getting started steps here, like for example, liking 10 posts or following 7 different accounts. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. Simply browse through your home feed here. And if you like a post, simply click on that heart icon. And to follow a user on Bluesky, simply hover your mouse over the user's username and click on follow here. Sorry, and that's basically it. As you can see, guys, super simple, and you can do that within a few minutes or even seconds. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.